Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I have some more custom Hot Wheels here. These are Cletus McFarlane's cars. So if you want to see more of these, there might be some more coming. So here we go. First we have Ruby. I have big turbo in this one. Custom slicks, parachute. Nothing much really. Cut the hood off of it, you know. Then we have Toast, the burnout car that didn't go well. So, it looks fine, I guess. Pretty cool car. I like the motor, big block. And here we have James Nova. If the camera would focus, too much chrome there. But there is a turbo in there. There, now you can kind of see it. There's a turbo, firewall, custom radiator hose, custom. That's pretty much all I did. Added some new wheels, new drag tires in the back. It's hard to see because it's all black, but pretty cool car right there. So shout out to Cletus, and yep, that's it. See ya.